Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Siti Nur Shakila Natasha binti Sharuzi with number matric CN200140. Today I would like to present the assignment that have been done. First, for introduction. Introduction for this assignment is the engineering economy is the study of industrial economics and the financial factor that influence industry. It is also a set of techniques for comparing the economics of alternating rather than a method or process for determining what those alternatives are. There are many of types of engineering economy. First, service improvement. Second, equipment and process selection. Third, equipment replacement. Fourth, new product and product expansion. And the last one is cost reduction. The importance of engineering economy, the decision made during these phases have a significant impact on the final cost. This kind of topic should be considered when selecting and planning, which mean the value analysis, efficient use of limited resources, decision making, and the comparative analysis of alternatives. Next, for the literature review, the engineering economy problem faced by engineers. The engineers face economic challenges in many companies these days. As a result, many losses in terms of cost of the engineer in a company occur. This company, for Sri Senggora Kilang Kelapa Sawit Sidang Berhad, wishes to purchase a new press machine to replace an old machine that has lot of maintenance issues. When it came to production, the old press machine was always stuck. As a result, they have already identified 3 suppliers from various manufacturers to purchase it, and each advance of that, they want to know which machine is better in terms of cost, services, and machine maintenance. The methodology, engineering economy technique using a related tools. The need of engineering economy is driven primarily by the work that engineers do in performing analysis, synthesis, and reaching the conclusion while working on projects of all sizes. The engineering economy is central to manufacturing decisions and involve the fundamental element of money, time, and interest rates. A, deci- a decision factors are frequently a combination of economic and non-economic elements. It also concerned with economic factor by definition entails formulating, estimating, and evaluating the expected economic outcomes of alternative designed to achieve a specific goal. Next, the methodology is estimate and decision usually involve. Next, the estimates and the decision usually involve 4 essential elements. First, cash flow. It refers the amount of cash or cash equivalent that a company receives or expend as a payment. It's frequently used to assess a company liquidity position. Second, times of occurrence of cash flow. One of the fundamental principles of small business financing is the discounting of cash flow. Third, interest rates for time value for money. I- It's a sum of money is worth more now than it will be a later date due to its earning potential in the interim. The time value of money is a fundamental financial principle. A sum of money in one hand is worth more than the same sum paid in the future. And the last one is a measure of worth for selecting an alternative. Next, the result. As we know, the Sri Senggara Kilang Kelapa Sawit wishes to purchase a new press machine to replace an old machine that need extensive maintenance. The old press machine was always stuck and when it come to production. As a result, 3 suppliers from various manufacturers have been identified to purchase it, and they want to buy it. Which machine is better in terms of cost, services, and machine maintenance before they buy it? Okay, you can see we have 3 types of supplier X, Y, Z with a different price, specification, specification speed, specification capacity, power, output production, spare part, and the last one is discount. And then this is the calculation of the supplier A, B, C for the price of after the discount and the production time according to the price. So the summary from the table is the Sri Senggora Kilang Kelapa Sawit Sdn Bhd would like to compare the difference between tea supplier in the table above. From supplier A, the machine price is 20,987 69 cents before a 20% discount, and the price is 60,790 after the discount. While supplier B, machine cost is 15,290 with a 10 discount. If purchased, the machine costs 50,290 after the discount. The final supplier is supplier C, who does not offer any discount and has a machine price of 50,855. So as a result, the company would like to select supplier B, who has the most benefit on the machine and has a greater impact on the company production. The supplier B not only has a lower cost after discount, but also many advantages such as the machine specification of 450 to 630 kilogram per hour and the capacity of 50 per 70 per day and 390 to 442 ton in a month, which can produce more production in a time. Result in higher profit for the company than purchasing and using machines from supplier A and C. Suppliers B machine also has a higher power rating of 55 kilowatt. Next, consider supplier B will receive a free spare part for the first year. As a result, it can save money. Not only that, but it also offers the free machine service for a 6-month contract. If any spare part or internal machine parts are damaged after a year, they can also be obtained in Malaysia. This due to the effect that spare parts are only sourced locally. It is because if the production time is disrupted by the damage and the replacement part arrive from overseas, the company may suffer a loss. Then, supplier B provides a technician with training to prevent future damage. As a result, workers must perform routine maintenance on the machine, and the supplier B got the 2 years of warranty. So next, the discussion. In engineering economy, study consists of several components including problem identification, objective definition, case flow estimation, financial analysis, and decision making. Their structured procedure to select the best solution of the problem is the best approach. They have 7 procedures. First, identify and understand the problem. Identify the objective of the project, such as the problem is old machine, always in problem and stuck. Okay. Second, collect relevant available data and define viable solution and alternative, such as the data collected that have been collected at the result. Third, make realistic cash flow estimate. Next, identify on economic measure of work criterion for decision making. Next, evaluate each alternative, consider non-economic factor. Then, select the best alternative, such as select the best supplier that have safe cost and more benefit. And the last one is implement the solution and monitor the result. So, the conclusion. The student can be better understand how to apply what they have learned in class, particularly in engineering economy. This knowledge can be applied in the future during year work, mainly when build a new company. Students also can manage time more regularly to complete this assignment. Even without limitation, students can understand all aspects such as cash flow, interest, time value, and else. This can also improve the quantity of effort that students put into the assignment given. Finally, students can manage problem on their company and machine that can save the company. So here this is reference. Thank you. Thank you for me.